Are you wondering how to use wired headphones or earphones on your Samsung S24 or S24 Ultra, since obviously these phones actually do not have a headphone jack? So actually there is a very easy solution for this problem. We simply need to get adapter like this, which essentially converts this 3.5 to Type-C. So if you get adapter like this and plug it in, you will be able to actually use your wired stuff, so without any problems. And again, wired stuff obviously has advantage that there is no audio delay or stuff like that. You obviously do not need to charge. Also, again, your microphone also will work. By the way, if you are looking to purchase these, you actually need to be very careful, as actually they have like tons of different manufacturers, and some of them are complete junk actually. For example, on some, for example, controls and also microphone doesn't work, and also, for example, on some of these, this like basically falls out very easily, so you get very bad experience. So if you are looking to get one of these, I will maybe leave a link in the description where you can get it. As you can see, it costs only like a bit over $1 on AliExpress. So if you are looking to purchase one on Amazon, you are looking to spend almost like $10. So this definitely is much cheaper. By the way, also one more thing, when you look at these, also do not purchase these. So I also have got this. So, and this is complete junk basically. So again, my phone actually doesn't work, and again, this like jack basically falls out very easily on it basically. And yeah, you also get like audio lags and stuff like that. So again, be kind of careful. So I will leave in the description comments basically a link to this one, and also one more, and on Amazon as well, where you can get it. But again, I think on AliExpress is probably the cheapest place, and yeah, it's obviously significantly cheaper. Anyway, good luck.